Hey, this is Dave here from Drewsty. If you have been following some of the earlier demo videos, you would have seen the new AI capabilities which have been built into the HPC Box system. For example, we were able to use Visual Studio Code agent to interact with the HPC Box MCP server and create workflows, etc., within the HPC Box platform. We've also seen the HPC Box AI assistant being able to troubleshoot failed jobs, create new jobs, create complicated workflows with flow control, etc. So today what we are going to be seeing is the new capability in HPC Box to be able to directly make use of external MCP servers within the HPC Box environment itself. So in the AI assistant, we are now able to, at an admin level, configure external MCP servers. For example, here on this demo cluster, I've got HPC Box configured with the Gridware cluster scheduler MCP server, and the Gridware cluster scheduler MCP server tools are automatically picked up by the HPC Box platform and made available for the user within the HPC Box environment. So the Gridware cluster scheduler MCP server gives us a lot of information and tools to look up accounting information, cluster health status, availability of CPU cores, information about GPUs, etc. So let's see how we are able to interact with the GCS cluster from directly within the HPC Box environment. For example, I can ask something like, what are the execution hosts in GCS? And we can see that the HPC Box AI assistant is able to interact with the GCS cluster setup and provide information to the user within the AI assistant environment. I can ask something like how many CPU cores are available in GCS, and we are able to see that there is a total of 130 CPU cores and 120 CPU cores are available for new jobs in all.q. So then I could combine the capabilities of the HPC Box platform and the GCS cluster scheduler via its MCP server and do something like create an ANSYS fluent workflow with the available CPU cores in GCS. So this would interact with the GCS cluster and create an HPC box workflow. And you can see here that the ANSYS Fluent workflow has been created correctly with the available number of CPU cores, which is 120. And we can see that that's also been correctly set within the HPC Box workflow itself. So this setup of being able to hook up external tools directly within the HPC Box environment, in this case specifically Gridware Cluster Scheduler's MCP server, gives a very powerful all-in-one AI-powered environment for the end user who's working with complex simulations on an HPC cluster, and gives them the capability to not only use the HPC Box platform's tools, but also use external tools coupled in conjunction with the HPC Box platform tools. I hope you enjoyed this video and looking forward to bring you more updates in the HPC Box platform environment. Thank you.